ABUNGE BAUGITE neba kwendekithia kandarasi iria cirungurwa mbeca bilioni imwe ciithirikenekerwa kambuni cia kuma Kenya. Bakiria ABUNGE BAUGITE kambuni ciao ya Kenya itibati kuwa kandarasi cia mbeca nyingi kenda Kenya bagunikana mbeca bakiwa bakulukia watho bu. Antony Kathenya aina riboti.
KWENDEKITHIA la kugarura kwa watho baunenkaniri bwa tenda jia thirikari mubungu wa Kiamba wa Njiko Njuguna kuma kaunti ya Kiambu arendekithia ugaruruku ta BUBU bwa mbele kiritenda jionde kunenkanirwa ni thirikari na jiende ya bilioni 1 jithiro ikinenkanirwa kile kampuni ya Kenya. Bwa jiri kiritenda jionde ile kunenkanirwa ni thirikari na jigule ya bilioni 1 kampuni ile kethiro ikinenkerwa ithiro na ngwataniro ya uruti ngugi na kampuni ya Kenya. Gisunzi kia 30 kia marima uruti ngugi kile kampuni ino kethiro gikithi kile kampuni ile pakethiro bagwatanirite nayo ya Kenya.
If you look at the government spending, almost 60 or 40% of the government budget goes to development issues. But you'll realize we have so many infrastructures in terms of government spending, but we're not able to fill that infrastructure in terms of economic boost within our public. So what we are trying to do is to make sure we have so many international players who have come into play, who are getting these contracts, they win our tenders, they make their profit, then they ship their money back to their country. So what we are trying to say is that we are going to introduce something that below $1 billion shillings, any government tender has been floated, tender sum to below $1 billion shillings should be given to a local manufacturer. And then anything that is above 1 billion, we should have an aspect of the local consumers, local shareholders of that international company to about 30%. Then also the tender sum of the whole amount of money, 30% of that amount, if we are dealing with procurement, if we are dealing with the construction of material, should be done locally, so that we try to see the taxpayers' money who are paying these taxes in regards to making sure that they boost the government. Then in terms of retaining the profit made by these multinational companies, we have also a share of that amount of money being retained within our republic. And this has a ripple effect if we give contracts beyond $1 billion shillings.
Kawanjiko aliuga nguge nyingi ile ibatele kwithiro ikinenkanirwa kire imwana bia Kenya jithiro itu ikinenkanirwa kungi amwe na ntukuta biashara jiao nontu boshindani kuma kire kampuni janja. Aliuga BUBU bogakinya muthia wona endekithia laere tokua na gutuika watho.
We have so many players in the market who have the capacity, they have the technical know-how, they have the financial muscle, but because of this competition with the international players, we are not able to see how now we can be able to promote them. They are losing businesses, we are losing money, and then at the end of the day, we are also losing jobs that are supposed to be created by these local people. So we are coming up with that bill so that we can anchor it into the law and make sure, the same way that President Kibaki came with 30% procurement rules for the AGPO people. And it has, we have seen it, there are default here and there, but we have also seen it succeeding in terms of employing and making sure that the young people get an opportunity to do those businesses.
Naona kethirwa kampuni nyingi jia Kenya ili nenkagora wira taboga kabarabara ni ile magwa kwinge wira BUBU kagita kario Kawanjiko aliuga kibaro alune kithirikari gutigira balaba kunenkerwa tenders ino niba gukinya kiwango kila kibatelie kia uritungo gebwao.
We have also seen people are talking about inefficiency of our local people, but we have local people, you know, that's why a tender goes through an evaluation process to make sure that the person they are awarding this tender has the capacity, technical capacity, has the financial capacity, can be able to deliver. But we have also seen international players also failing to honor their part of the bargain. We have the Rio Dam 2, it failed. We have so many constructions ongoing of roads and the contractors have backed off. Reason being because they don't have that capacity they were proving to show, or they used to procure to get these tenders to win the tendering. So we are saying we are amending, we try to protect the local people.
We support the bill 100% because tunataka manufaa mengi ya pesa ya serikali katika project za serikali iendelee na kunufaisha watu ambao ni wa hapa nchi ya Kenya. Because all the other countries do that, you protect your people, because when you put them in the competition globally, we also need to support them to be competitive.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, rangi wa Kathenya.